everyone. Hope you're doing well. Um, it's hard to believe, but we're almost at the end of the semester. I have submitted your posted your final assignments and your final exam. What this includes is information from chapter 16 through 18, and this deals with feeding infants and children and planning meals in a child care center or meals for children, and then also food safety. You'll see that there's several assignments related to this information, and please make sure you read the information in the chapters, and also you submit your final exam. All of these assignments need to be submitted no later than Sunday, May 10th, because that is the last day of classes, or the last day anything can be submitted. Please email me if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.